Hello student, in previous video I have already discussed about the different types of beaks. This is your chapter number 7, different types of beaks and claws. In this video I am going to discuss about different types of feet and claws. Now in your book, birds have claws on their feet. Birds have claws on their feet. Claws help the bird to catch their food, perch on branches, and to move around. They have feet according to the environment they live and the food they eat. Now, there are different uses of birds' feet and claws. But birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding foods, swimming, and perching. Birds use their claws for self-defense also. Remember this one. Birds use their claws for self-defense also. The shape of their feet and claws depend on their food habit. Claws have long sharp nails. So the birds use their feet and claws in different way. Okay. Now here at the table given below tells you about the different types of claws birds have and their uses. Number 1, wading. The type and uses. See this type of feet and claws of this type of birds. The legs are long with toes that are speared out to help them. This is speared out means the increase the surface. That's why these help to walk easily in shallow water without sinking. So this type of claws, you can say the wading bird also. This type of claws and feet helps the bird to walk easily in shallow water without sinking. And see this type of leg, the legs are long and toes are spread out. Okay. Now example of this type of toes are present in crane, stork, heron, etc. Now the second one, grasspig. The feet have large sharp claws called talons. This is the large sharp claws. See this one, to catch, kill and carry prey. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. Look at the picture very well. The 3 toes are present in front and 1 present in back or behind. This type of feet or claws present in eagles, hawks and owls. Clear? Now the next one, swimming. The feet are webbed. Their feet are webbed. Webbed means a thin skin is present in between the toes. Look here, the thin skin is present. This one is thin skin is present between the toes. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 small toe. These are 3 toes present in front and 1 small toe present at the back. Feet work as words while swimming. What is the meaning of words? Words meaning paddle. The feet work as paddle while swimming. Example, duck and so on. Now the next one, scratching. The claws are strong with 3 toes in front and a short hind toe higher up the leg. See this one, there are 3 claws. They are strong with 3 toes. The claws are strong with 3 toes in the front and a short hind toe higher up the leg. Hind toe higher up the leg. They help to scratch the ground to find food. They help to scratch the ground to find food. Why? Because the scratch meaning to make a mark on the surface. Scratch meaning to make a mark on the surface. They scratch the ground and find out their food. This type of feet and claws present in hens and pigeons. Clear? Now perching. Here the spelling mistake, P-R-E. No, this one is wrong. You correct this one in your book, P-E-R-C-H-I-N-G. Perching. There are 3 toes in front and 1 behind, which curls around the branch to hold it firmly. It enables the bird to sleep even while perching. There are 3 toes in the front and one is behind, which curls around the branch to hold it firmly or tightly. It enables the bird to sleep even while perching. So that's why they use the toes in different way, but function is they help their toes when they sleep. Okay. Now this type of feet present in crows, robins and sparrows. Now climbing birds. There are 2 toes in front and 2 behind, enabling the bird to climb up, down and sideways on tree trunk. See this type of feet. There are 2 toes in the front, 2 in the front and 2 behind, enabling the bird to climb up, down and sideways on tree trunk. When they move in the tree trunk, this type of toes help them to walk. Now this type of feet present in woodpeckers and parrots. Next one is running bird. When I am saying that name the running bird, you can easily say, ma'am, emu, ostrich are running bird. So running bird, see this type of feet, see this one. First running birds have 2 toes rather than 4. Birds have 4 toes, but see this one, see the picture. There are only 2 toes present. They have very strong legs to run fast and their leg is very strong. See the all types of legs. They are thin, but in compared to this one is very thick in compared to other. See all the feet and claws. So this type of feet help them to run. The first running birds have 2 toes rather than 4. They have very strong legs to run fast. Clear? So this type of feet present in ostrich. You can also write emu. Emu is a running bird also. Okay. Now the last part. So you have read up to different types of, feet and claws. Them bird to walk, climb, hold food, swimming and perching. Clear? From this chapter you have learned that all birds have beaks and claws. So all birds have different kinds of beaks and different types of feet and claws. Birds are used for getting food, defense, gathering nesting materials and attacking. So beaks are used for getting food, defense and gathering nesting materials. I have already told in the first video. Birds have 2 legs with claws attached to the feet. So birds have 2 legs with claws. They have curved claws attached to the feet. Depending on the kind of food the birds eat. So food habits of the birds are different from each other. Beaks can be classified into different kinds. This one I already explained in my first video. Claws help to catch food, perch and move around. I have already told that birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding food, swimming and perching. And also birds use their claws for self-defense. Remember this one, they also use their claws for self-defense. Birds have different kind of feet that are adapted to the environment they live in. So birds have different kinds of feet that they are adapted to the environment they live in. All this you have learned from this chapter. So you read the chapter thoroughly. If you have any problem, you can ask me in your class 4 group. Now the all short question, that is match the following, give 2 example of each, complete the flowchart, matching. All I will explain through videos, and the answer of the questions, question number D and question number F, I will send you through study materials, and other I will explain or solve in my next videos.